Hey gamers and creators. Um, in my first video, I brought the evolution of Unity. This is my second video. I wanted to exaggerate the making a successful game. Making a successful game, making a successful game isn't just about coding or graphics. Some people think that is all about coding and graphics. But the thing is, it's about planning strategically from day one. You know, let's break it down using the 5 P's of a strategy for game development. Because if we don't have a plan, I think if you have too much knowledge, too much skills, but I think it worthless. You think sometimes some game developers have too much knowledge and skills, but they are inability to accomplish the certain goals. Why they fail? I think plan is important thing for the game development. At the first of all, according on that strategy, in the very first time, I have to take plan. The title is the plan. What is the plan? You think in game development, plan means choosing one clear direction at the beginning. As a beginner, according on the game development context, we have two options there, 2D and 3D. And if you are as a beginner, you are entering into the game development process, you have to pick one of them. If you are most interesting to 2D, then you can pick 2D. If you are most interested on 3D development, you can pick 3D. For an example, I take 2D. If we choose 2D, we must focus on understanding the fundamentals of 2D game designing and as well as follow that path consistently. The consistently following is must be important thing on that. And also planning means working with long-term purpose, setting a time period and improving step by step instead of changing direction randomly. That is the important thing of that under the plan. And also your plan is must purposefully, and also it's should long-term process, not the tactical way. Under the plan, learn the fundamentals of 2D development. You can use online courses, online tutorials like that, virtual streams. We have already some many creators uploaded the many videos, tutorials. You can learn from it. You have to have a strategic trick or tactical move used to outsmart competitors.
We need to update our game to outsmart our competitor.
Let's do it gradually. Release small updates every month.
They'll never see it coming.
Ploy behave like trick. If you think if you are still making the game, you can let viewers to see your current updates. Like gradually you can show them, and also you can update your when is fix the launching date, and also you can some influencing some tactical movement and tricks and updates, giving them to evoke their interest for the games. And you can use as a marketing trick, as well as that is the tactical marketing trick. Flow is the actually strategic and tactical marketing trick. You can use it properly, then you can influence them to make them to turn your project. That is a smart tool, and you can use it after done the plan. Pattern means consistent behavior over time. For an example, you can if you are done the plan and also use some tricks as marketing, then after you can launching some products related with your game as a repeatedly. Then you can achieve the retention of the audience. Purpose of that, use that pattern, the grab the retention for your game development project. It will be a good benefit for your further game development project running on. For an example, you can release the game assets per monthly related on your existing game development project. Then customer thinks you are an active seller all the time. Position is about how your game is placed in the market after you done. You have too many options, like too many strategies, and you can pick one of them. Let's talk about when move on the contents by the vendor digits, and I will explain. Then basically your product how would be in the market. Then before that you have to understand, briefly understand and awareness for your game project, and how would keep it into the market.
Let's make something different and unique. How about a cute, cozy game?
What is the perspective? Perspective is the way of believing and thinking pattern of the game developer. For an example, the game developer thinks about the customers. You think as a game developer, we used to think about the player, the player always come first. That is implied the satisfaction of the player. We have to listen to players' satisfaction, desires, those kind of things. That is one of the one point of the perspectives. Then we can add more than beliefs by the developers, how they thinks about the customer audience. The time has come to wind up the video. This one I made for as a strategic before tactic, that titled, and to giving some idea about how we think like strategically start a project in business perspective, beyond the design view, how we think under business perspective beyond the design view. I also took 5 Ps, like including plan, employee, pattern, position and perspective. I gave you basic strategic idea before start initially make a project, and I think you collect bit of knowledge out of the design view. Then see you